Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, then this is Rimi. Today we're here with a makeup tutorial that I'm wearing right now, and I used a new Morphe palette from the Jaclyn Hill Vault collection. I used the Armed and Gorgeous palette today. I purchased the entire Vault collection from Morphe website on the day that it was launched, and here's the entire collection. It consists of 4 palettes. The first one is Dark Magic, that you can see it's a green theme palette. Each of these palettes consists of 10 different eyeshadows and a mirror, and also they have names underneath them, so I definitely like that. The second one is Ring the Alarm. It's an orange and red theme palette. Third palette is Bling Boss. It's a purple theme palette. And the last but not the least is the Armed and Gorgeous palette. It's more of a yellow themed palette. This is the palette I used to create this look today. Each of these palettes retail for $15 individually, but if you buy the whole collection, they retail for $49. There are plenty of codes available that you can use to get a 10% off discount. I used a code, and so my whole collection was about $45. It's like getting a palette for free, but if you're buying individually, I think you get about $1.50 off each palette. So let's get into the tutorial. So I'm starting off with the color Access from the Armed and Gorgeous palette, and I'm placing it towards the outer corner of my eyes first, and then I'm blending it towards the inner corner. Next, I'm taking the color Smooth Criminal and I'm placing it right in the crease. I'm taking this color all the way towards the inner corner and then making sure that I blend it with the yellow I placed earlier and create a smooth transition. I'm also kind of creating a wing shape with this color. Now I'm taking the color Classified for my lid. I already used a concealer to carve out my crease and clean out the lid space. I used my finger first to apply the color. This way the pigmentations show up much better, and then I'm taking a brush to blend out the edges. Now I'm taking the color VIP and placing it right in the center of the lid to give it a more highlighted look, and I'm just using my finger to apply it. I'm also using the same color to highlight my brow bone. For my eyeliner, I'm taking L'Oreal Infallible, the Super Slim Liquid Eyeliner, and then I'm just using the liner to draw a wing liner and also carving out the crease. I was just experimenting with this look, but I really liked how it turned out. Now I'm going to move to my face, and I'm taking this Milani Rose Prep and Prime oil and I'm applying it all over my face to prepare my face for the foundation. Next, I'm taking CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Elixir foundation and I'm setting the foundation with Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder. For my inner corner highlight, I'm taking this 2-color VIP and Guilt Trip from the palette and mixing them together. I'm placing it right in the inner corners of my eyes. Then I'm taking the color Agent and applying it on my lower lash line. I'm blowing this color up and applying it all over the lower lash line. Then I'm taking the color Smooth Criminal and placing it towards the outer corner of the lower lash line. And then I'm taking the color Excess and kind of smoking the lower lash line out a little so that it looks cohesive with the lid. For my mascara, I'm taking L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara and applying a few coats on my top and bottom lashes. For contour, I'm taking Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit and I'm taking the middle color to apply on the hollows of my cheekbones and to contour the rest of my face. For my blush, I'm taking Milani Rose Powder Blush Trio Palette and I'm taking the deepest color from the palette and applying it on the apples of my cheek. And to highlight my face, I'm taking the color VIP and Guilt Trip from the Armed and Gorgeous palette and applying it on the high points of my face. For my lips, I'm taking this Morphe lip liner in color High Maintenance. I'm lining my lips following the natural shape of my lips, and then I'm also going to fill in my lips with this lip liner. I always like to do this step to ensure the lipstick that I apply on top of the lip liner looks more vibrant and also lasts longer. For my lipstick, I'm taking Colourpop Ultra Matte Lip in color Love Bug, and I'm just applying this color on top of the lip liner I placed earlier. So here's the finished look. I really loved how the look turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this look as well. I will be doing more tutorial using the other palettes from this collection, so stay tuned for that. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button along with the bell button next to it. Follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. I'll leave all those links down below in the description box as well. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!